Good day, guys, and welcome back to our channel. And here today, we're going to talk about how you can earn Blum points. So, as you all know, one of the criteria to be eligible for airdrop is to have 750 meme points. Okay, so and if you've not gotten that, then kindly watch this video carefully. Don't skip any part so that you get all the steps by steps. Okay, so and if you're here for the first time, don't forget like this video and subscribe for more updates. Now, without wasting time, all you need to do now is to make sure that at least you should have ton on your wallet, okay? And if you don't have it, you can actually send it to your wallet, right? Now, you need to click on trade to earn here to see, all right? So here you need 100,000 Blum points, then you need 750 minimum min point, right? Now click on trade to earn. So here, trade your way to min points. So there are 4 steps you can earn min points. So you can launch a token with min pad. If you do that, this is the min point you're going to get. Then your token move to decentralized exchange, that is DEX. This is the point you're going to get. Then if you trade on min pad, you're going to get 50. Okay. So, but then to meet the minimum amount, the best one to use is trade with trading bots. If you trade with trading bots, you're going to get 750 min point for each $10 of trading volume within a single transaction. Okay. All right. So from there, you can come up here and click on trading bots here. All right. Now, if you are here for the first time, you're going to see how it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and click on start. Now, welcome to Blum Trading Bot. It's your multi-chain trading body built for lightning fast trade of meme coins and tokens on Solana, Ton, and a BNB chain. All right. So we're ready to start trading. Just agree to continue. So click on agree and continue. Now, so here are the first steps you need to take. Okay. You have wallet for each of the chain. We have wallet for the Ton chain, which is this. You have a wallet for your Solana chain and your wallet for the BNB chain. So what this implies is that if you want to trade any meme coin on Solana, you have to use this address to send Solana to the wallet. If it's on Ton, then use this Ton to send Ton to the wallet. And if it's on BNB, you use this address to send BNB to the wallet. So just click on it and it's going to be copied. You can see, you can copy any of the address. So for me, I want to use Ton for the transaction. All right. So, and for example, if you have a Ton wallet that is known, maybe your Ton keeper, your Ton is on the Ton keeper, you can just import the wallet using this method. Okay. So you can import the wallet as well. Down here, you import your wallet and you don't need to send any longer with your seed phrase. You can do it. All right. From here, you can go ahead and click on skip or Ton connect top up. Okay. So let's use that one first. So let's go ahead now. So discover meme coins and tokens. So you might just take your time to look at them. All right. So just skip it. Just go straight to the trading. Now you can see the wallets I've shown you. So here now what you need to do is to select buy and sell. You want to buy a meme coin, want to sell a meme coin. You can also do copy trading. If you have someone that want to copy the person's trade, you can use it here. All right. So list of tokens here. If you bought any meme coin, here where you're going to see them. Then your P&L, like your profit and loss, the orders you've made, your wallet and your setting as well. So you can just take your time and check them out. All right. So now let me go ahead and click on buy and sell. All right. So it's trade any Solana, Ton, and BNB chain. Send the token address, link, or pick from the list. Okay. So let's go back to our main part to select a meme coin from there. Okay. So go to your main pad, a meme coin to trade. So most of these meme coins are launched by everybody. Even people that are hunting airdrop can launch them. So They're not big deals, but then for the sake of the main point we want, you can see to which one we can actually get. So let me go to the HOTS, see the one that are performing better. Okay. So let's take this first one for example, this CMR. Once you've selected a certain meme coin, so you can read about the meme coin. Okay. This one is backed by real car and bike rentals. So they are all meme coins. Now here are the holders. You can see the holders, the liquidity pool, the buyers and the sellers. So you can see all the details right here, all the transactions. If you want to see more, you can click here and see more transactions here. Then if you want to buy, then you can go ahead and click on the contact address. Let's put the contact address here. All right. So copy the contact address here. It's copy now. So let's go back to our Bloom points. Then you're going to paste it here. Then you can send it as a message. Then wait for the pop-up. All right. Now, so all the details are here. You can check out the price, the market cap, the liquidity, the holders, the trade details, and the likes. So right now, my turn balance is 0. Okay. Also, you can see your slippage and buy amount. So you can list everything here. Let me add more turn here. All right. So I've deposited turn into my trading boots wallet. So I just drop the address of the token again, and you're going to see. So this is my balance here, my turn balance here. Now from here, you can do some setting here. You can set your slippage, the buy amount. So instead of 1.0 ton, click on it, then enter the amount you want to use to buy. So let me just use 0.1 ton. Okay. So yeah, so the amount is going to be set now. So click on buy. So you can see that it's processing. All right. So waiting for confirmation. So let me just wait a little bit. Now you can see it has been confirmed. So we've purchased the meme coin. All right. So there we can go back to our Blum to confirm now. Okay, so back on your Bloom. So go to your N down here, okay? So go to the on chain here. Then you can see. So you're going to claim 3,000 Bloom point, alright? Click on claim. So once that has been done, go back to, yeah, you can see that I've earned 3,000 Bloom points where we needed just 750. So this is all you need to do, and I hope you do enjoy the video. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe, and stay with us for more updates. See you in the next video.